Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video today, we're going to be talking about work. All right, what is work? Well, you do work on an object when you apply a force to that object, and that object moves somewhat, at least, in the dimension of that force. Okay, so that would look like this. Okay, so work is the amount of force you apply times how far it goes, and the angle between the direction your force is applied and the direction that it goes. So here's what that means. Well, if I lift this board up, okay, my force is up, my displacement is up, okay, so the angle between those two things is 0 degrees. Cosine of 0 degrees is 1, so it's just your force times your displacement. Well, if I go like this, my force is up, right? I'm still holding it up, I'm still holding it up, but the displacement's down, right? So the angle is 180 degrees. Cosine of 180 degrees is -1. So that's your force times your displacement times -1, so it's negative work. So check this out. If I do this, and then this, I've done positive work this way, negative work this way, the same amount cancels out. I did 0 work on this. I did no work on this board. Okay, now, check it, look like this, right? What about this? Okay. I am not doing any work on the board in that case. Why? Well, my force is up. Okay, by just moving my elbow, it makes my whole arm move, so I am not moving this board in the direction of my force. My force is up, the board moves side to side. Okay, that's 90-degree angle. Cosine of 90 degrees is 0. Force times distance times 0 is 0. Right? So that's work. Right? You do work only if the force you apply actually makes it move and in the dimension that the force is applied. Okay? Now, let's say, for example, I'm pushing down, but the object is moving sideways. Maybe think of a lawnmower, for example, right? Well, there is a horizontal component of your force, right? Because it's not straight down, it's kind of down and to the side, but it moves horizontally, right? So you'd have to find the angle between the direction the force is applied, and the direction that the object moves. That would go in your theta for your cosine theta, and you'd be good to go. Okay, real quick, let's talk about units. Okay, well, we know that force is measured in a Newton, and distance or displacement is measured in meters, and there is no unit for the cosine of an angle. Great, so we have Newton times meters. Now, when we use it in this context, it's a joule. Capital J for joule, spelled lowercase j, O-U-L-E. Okay, and that's the units for work. Great. I'll see you next time.